We will now rewrite this given rational expression using a common denominator and simplify it. So in the first rational expression, the denominator is x minus 1. And in the second rational expression, the denominator is x minus 4. Therefore, the common denominator is the product of these two denominators, that is x minus 1 times x minus 4. And so for the first rational expression, since the denominator is x minus 1, we have to multiply and divide this rational expression by x minus 4. That is, let's do that, x plus 3 divided by x minus 1. We multiply and divide by x minus 4 so that we will have the common denominator x minus 1 times x minus 4. We then put minus, and for the second rational expression, since the denominator is already x minus 4, we will have to multiply and divide by this expression x minus 1. So let's do that. That is 2x plus 1 divided by x minus 4 times x minus 1 divided by x minus 1. Now let's simplify this. In the first rational expression, we have to multiply these two numerators, and we'll also have to multiply the denominator expressions. So therefore, it will be x plus 3 times x minus 4 and divided by the denominator x minus 1 times x minus 4. We then put minus. Similarly, we will have to multiply this numerator expressions, that is 2x plus 1 times x minus 1, and this is divided by x minus 4 times x minus 1. I write this as x minus 1 times x minus 4. Now, from these two rational expressions, we see that we now have the common denominator. Here it is x minus 1 times x minus 4. Here also we have x minus 1 times x minus 4, which means we can have the common denominator now and combine the numerator expressions. So I put this common denominator x minus 1 times x minus 4, and we put this first expression, that is x plus 3 times of x minus 4. We then put minus. Now let's put the second expression, that is 2x plus 1 times x minus 1. Now we have to do the multiplication of these two expressions as well as these two expressions, and also we will multiply these two rational expressions and simplify this. And here I'm going to use the FOIL method. So let's do this first with the first, that is x times x is x squared, and then outer is x times negative 4 is negative 4x, then inner is 3 times x is 3x, then last is 3 times negative 4 is negative 12. Let's close this using the brackets. Now we will do the FOIL of these two expressions to multiply these two expressions. So first is 2x times x is 2x squared. 2x times negative 1 is negative 2x. 1 times x is x. 1 times negative 1 is negative 1. And this has to be divided by the product of these two expressions. So once again, we will use the FOIL method. So x times x is x squared. X times negative 4 is negative 4x. Negative 1 times x is negative x. And negative 1 times negative 4 is a positive 4. Now let's simplify this. This is the first expression, x squared. Negative 4x plus 3x is negative x. And then we have negative 12. We put this brackets, and this one is 2x squared. Negative 2x plus x is negative x, and then we have negative 1, and this is divided by x squared. We have negative 4x, negative x is negative 5x plus 4. Now we have to simplify this. So this equals, we have x squared, and then this is negative 2x squared. So x squared negative 2x squared is negative x squared. We then have negative x, and this one is negative of negative x is positive x. So negative x, positive x, these two will get cancelled. They'll become 0. So we will not have to write that. And here we have negative 12. And this one is negative 1, but when you multiply with negative, it becomes positive 1. So negative 12 plus 1 is negative 11. So in the numerator, we have negative x squared, negative 11, and in the denominator, we have x squared, negative 5x plus 4. And so therefore, this is the simplified expression of the given expression.